I've created an online workshop called Specialized Kinesiology Master Series. And in this workshop, I teach you how to accurately muscle test the body to gain feedback about what's going on internally. According to Chinese medicine, they believe that all disease begins in the energy system before you actually start to feel physical symptoms in the body. So I'm going to teach you through many different modalities and techniques that I've learned through the last 30 years. I've taken the best of the best and I've put them in this master series. I'm going to teach you how to decrease pain, how to improve posture, how to decrease some troubling emotions, how to work with the energy system of the body to increase overall vitality. If you'd like to get more information about my workshop and how to use muscle monitoring as an accurate feedback tool, you can even incorporate this in with massage therapy sessions. Go to northeasthealing.com and you'll get all the information there. Make it a great day, be healthy, be well, and I'll see you soon.